welcome to the international webinar on World Soil and Water, a Source of Life, organized by IATEM Webinars in association with IASTEM Conference. On the behalf of entire organizing committee, I'm Isaac Vera. Organizing Secretary would like to welcome you all for this webinar. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce our organization. The motto behind this non-profit association is to bridge the gap between students, professors, academics, and industrialists from multiple disciplines. Apart from organizing various seminars, expert talks, and conferences, we have various highly rated multidisciplinary journals in the field of science, engineering, technology, and management. Since our inception, we have been arranged various international conferences at various parts of the world like New York, London, Australia, Hong Kong, Dubai, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, India, etc. More than 1 lakh people across the globe have associated with us, and more than 5 lakh people. Today, I'm glad to welcome you all as a member of this growing network for the advancement in technology in terms of research and innovation. Today, we were very much fortunate to have an eminent professor and expert who is joining this webinar as an expert speaker and guest. Her name is Assistant Professor Dr. Sunita Kumari. Presently, she is working as an Assistant Professor at Government College, Kotli, Mandi, India. Now, I'd like to welcome our Professor Dr. Sunita Kumari to deliver the webinar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for introducing me. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Ma'am. I have already made you co-host, so you can share your screen.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. My name is Dr. Sunita, working as Assistant Professor of Commerce at Government Degree College, Kotli, District Mandi, Himachal Pradesh from India. I'm awarded PhD degree from India's International University and presented so many research papers at national international levels. It's my pleasure to speak on this topic, that is soil and water, a sources of life. I would like to start my speech by a quote, that is, we need to work with nature, not against it. As we know that World Soil Day is held annually on 5th December, so this year the theme is soil and water, a source of life, which means to focus attention on importance of healthy soil and for sustainable management of soil resources. Our life is totally depend upon the resources, that is soil, water, and over 95% of our food which we consume originates from these two resources, or we can say that these are two fundamental resources which is required for the survival. If we talk about agriculture sector, that's play important roles in our economy. So the success of agriculture sector is totally depend upon these two resources. If these two resources, that is soil and water, have available in abundant form, so we can utilize it properly to produce goods, to produce food grains for our nation. This will help to boost per capita income, national income, or we can eradicate poverty. Sustainable soil management practices such as crop rotation, organic matter addition, improve soil health, reduce erosion, pollution, enhance water storage. These practices also preserve soil biodiversity and it improve fertility also. And it's playing a crucial, very important role in fight against climate change. health of soil and the quantity of water or availability of water is interconnected. Both have a positive connection, strong connection. Efficient use of quality water promotes sustainable use of fertilizer, pesticides, etc. If there is a water scarcity, so it leads to loss of soil diversity. Water scarcity leads to totally loss of soil diversity. Here, I'm from Himachal Pradesh, India, one of the state of India. So I would like to share a tragedy which happened in our state, Himachal Pradesh, last few months. What happened? We saw many destructions, many damages. We saw many, damages or the cloud burst in Himachal Pradesh due to heavy rain. Roads was blocked totally. Agriculture system was totally breakdown. Machinery was breakdown. Many people died. So the government spending so much money for making the road construction, bridge constructions, cutting trees. So these all are the causes of destructions. Don't disturb the nature. There should be balance. Don't disturb the nature because we are human beings. We totally depends upon the soil, water. These are the precious resources which is required for survival, which is required for growth. In modern world, we are work with the technology, we are go with the technology, where the population is growing rapidly. Cities are expanding, climates are changing. More requirement of food for survival is needed. We need to use full potential of soils to support food production. Without soil or water, we cannot survive. We cannot do predictions. So, no doubt, various national as well as international organization work on it. But as a human being, as a part of this nature, we should also perform duties. We should also perform some responsibility to achieve sustainable soil management. So it's very important to preserve the nature. At last, but not least, I would like to conclude that preserve the nature, don't misuse the nature, because water, don't misuse the water, because water is driving force of nature at school level, college level, or we can conduct such programs of awareness, take steps to reduce erosion of soil and the soil pollution, informing people about importance of soil in maintaining a healthy ecosystem by addressing soil related problems such as pollution, soil erosion, degradations, etc. So that's on my side. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your